To create conference slots, you are going to start at your homepage and you're going to go to where it states New Post. You're going to click on the arrow next to New Post and you're going to click on Conference Signups. When you click on Conference Signups, it's going to ask you to select the class that you are scheduling conferences for. When you select your class, you're going to then select your day. So I'm going to select the 21st for our orientation day. You'll then select your start time. And since I know that orientation starts at 8:30 in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and select 8:30 a.m. My end time, I'm going to select as the last conference of the day, which I know will be at 1:30 p.m. as that is the last conference time of the day for the afternoon conference. I am going to set a recess because there is a break in between the 8:30 to 9:30 slot between then and 12:30. And I'm going to set my recess time for 9:30. I'm going to set my end time for 12:30 p.m. My conference slot duration I'm going to put for 60 minutes. And my break between conference slots I'm going to put 0 because my students and my parents are all watching my conference at the same time. I can hide the name of parents who sign up if I so choose so that other parents cannot see them. Or I can leave it unchecked and let their names be shown. And then I'm going to click Next. You can see when I click Next that it'll show me any errors that I have. And at this point, it shows me that I did not put PM instead of AM. Once I click Next, it's going to ask me to confirm that my conference times are correct. If they are, I'll click Next. If they are not, I'll click Start Over. After clicking Next, I am brought to this screen. So I can confirm that I'm still sending this to my English Period 1 class, which is also my advisory class. Who can see this? I only need my parents to see this, not my staff members at school. I'm titling it My Conference Signups for my first period English class. I can change this or I can leave it. It's my message or description to my parents of what this is. I can make sure that I can edit translation just like I did when I created a post. So you can see that it turns it into Spanish for me. And then you can see down here at the bottom that it says Learn more about volunteer lists or conference signups. So it says, when do you want people to volunteer or sign up? So we're having our parents sign up. And instead of hitting add task and having to input conference time slot over and over and over, what we're going to do is we're going to go from what do you want people to do, which is our conference time slot, to the task, which is the time, and to how many are needed. We are going to go to how many are needed. Right now it says 1. We're going to click this and we're going to change it to about 32 if you're in junior high. We have about 32 kids per class on the low end. And we're going to do that for both. And then we'll click Preview. Once we have clicked Preview, you can see that I have 0 out of 64 signups. You can see that it's for my first period English and it's under my name. It tells you what date it's for, what is the name of the sign up, the time, and how many slots you have open and how many you have filled. You can sign up, you can add someone, and then when you're ready to post, you can hit the arrow to the side of Post Now, and you can decide to post it now, to schedule the post, to save it as a draft, or to do what we're doing right now, which is previewing it. You can also decide the notification options. You can send it at the user's preferred time, whether that's instant or digest. Now remember, instant is immediate, digest is like a summary. It won't be sent till the end of the business day. You can send it instantly, which overrides the digest setting. So if I click this button, you'll see that number 14 over here to the right will be moved over here to the instant side. And now it is gone. Or you do not notify them at all, and it will just post into the post thread, and your parents will see it when they log in to check Parentsquare. You can also click on Send Me a Test for an email, text, or app notification preview if you would like to see what it would look like before you send it out to your parents. And that is how you schedule your conference signups.